The 2019 GMC Sierra 2500 and 3500 heavy-duty pickup trucks easily tackle most job demands with a hard-working yet tech-savvy combination of brains and brawn. Available in double and crew cab body styles with standard or long bed lengths, the Sierra HD pickups can be found in base, SLE, SLT, and premium-equipped Denali models. Standard exterior equipment on the Sierra HD pickup includes HID projector beam headlights, a chrome front bumper with recovery hooks, and a corner step rear bumper that makes access to the bed easier. All but the base come with an easy lift and lower tailgate. Maximum conventional towing for the 2500 HD tops out at 14,500 pounds, while the dual rear-wheel 3500 HD can tow up to 23,100 pounds when properly equipped. Inside, the Sierra HD provides standard seating for 6 passengers. Easy-to-reach controls, multiple power points, and ample storage compartments provide a premium level of convenience. The GMC infotainment system includes a standard 7-inch or available 8-inch touchscreen display. An OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot keeps everyone connected. Wireless phone charging is available. Performance choices for the Sierra HD start with a gasoline-powered 6-liter V8, making 360 horsepower. The CNG LPG-capable variant features hardened valves and valve seats, but must be aftermarket upfitted with a gaseous fuel system. An optional 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8 delivers 445 horsepower with a copious 910 pound-feet of torque. All models get a heavy-duty 6-speed automatic transmission and are offered with either rear-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. The EPA does not provide fuel economy estimates for trucks weighing more than 8,500 pounds. Standard safety features on the Sierra HD models include trailer sway control and a tow-haul mode with cruise-grade braking and powertrain-grade braking. Available diesel exhaust braking reduces the amount of conventional braking needed while towing a heavy trailer. The Sierra HD is backed by a 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Powerful, tech-savvy, and comfortable, the 2019 Sierra 2500 HD and 3500 HD are ready to meet the needs of today's hard-working pickup truck buyers.